I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, drivers. In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Driving Empire. This highly sought-after SUV was often a special, limited-time offering within the game. To begin your journey, you would typically look for announcements regarding unique collaborations or events that featured this specific vehicle. These events provided a distinct opportunity to add this powerful car to your collection. During its availability, obtaining the Urus usually required completing a specific challenge. This often involved a thrilling time trial race within a dedicated event area, such as the Lamborghini Lab. The objective was to demonstrate your driving skill by finishing the course in under 1 minute and 25 seconds. Successfully beating this time limit was the key to earning this impressive vehicle. The Lamborghini Urus was initially offered for free to players who successfully completed the associated in-game event challenges. Following this free acquisition period, the car sometimes became available for direct purchase. Players could then acquire it for 400 Robux, offering an alternative method for those who missed the initial event or preferred a direct transaction. This provided flexibility in obtaining the vehicle. It is important to note that the Lamborghini Urus was a limited-time offering and is currently off sale, meaning it is not available through regular in-game dealerships. However, game developers sometimes re-release popular vehicles or introduce new events. Keep an eye on official Driving Empire announcements and community channels for any news regarding future opportunities to acquire this fantastic SUV. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.